100 everyday nouns with a simple sentence. People, 1 to 20. Boy, the boy is playing soccer. Girl, the girl has a red dress. Man, that man is tall. Woman, the woman is cooking. Teacher, the teacher is kind. Student, the student is reading. Friend, my friend is funny. Mother, my mother is at home. Father, his father is driving. Brother, I have one brother. Sister, my sister is singing. Baby, the baby is sleeping. Doctor, the doctor helps people. Nurse, the nurse is smiling. Police, the police is in the car. Chef, the chef makes pizza. Driver, the driver is late. Worker, the worker is busy. Boss, the boss is talking. Customer, the customer is buying milk. Places, 21 to 40. Home, I go home at 5. School, my school is big. Store, the store is open. Park, we play at the park. Zoo, the zoo has lions. Bank, the bank is closed. Hospital, the hospital is clean. Market, the market is busy. Library, she studies at the library. Restaurant, the restaurant has pizza. Kitchen, my mom is in the kitchen. Bathroom, the bathroom is next door. Bedroom, I sleep in my bedroom. Office, my dad is at the office. Garage, the car is in the garage. Garden, the flowers are in the garden. Street, the street is clean. City, I live in a big city. Village, the village is quiet. Beach, we swim at the beach. Things, 41 to 70. Book, I read a book. Pen, I write with a pen. Pencil, the pencil is on the desk. Bag, her bag is blue. Phone, he talks on the phone. Laptop, my laptop is black. Chair, I sit on the chair. Table, food is on the table. Clock, the clock shows the time. Television, I watch TV at night. Fan, the fan is spinning. Light, the light is on. Door, please close the door. Window, the window is open. Car, I drive a red car. Bike, he rides a bike to school. Bus, the bus is late. Train, we take the train. Airplane, the airplane is flying. Spoon, she eats with a spoon. Fork, I use a fork to eat. Plate, the plate is full. Cup, I drink tea in a cup. Bottle, this bottle has water. Shoes, my shoes are dirty. Clothes, I fold my clothes. Hat, his hat is funny. Glasses, she wears glasses. Watch, I wear a watch. Toy, the child has a toy. Animals, 71 to 85. Dog, the dog is barking. Cat, the cat is sleeping. Bird, the bird can fly. Fish, I see a small fish. Cow, the cow gives milk. Goat, the goat is eating grass. Sheep, the sheep is white. Duck, the duck is swimming. Horse, the horse runs fast. Pig, the pig is pink. Chicken, chickens live on a farm. Elephant, the elephant is big. Lion, the lion is strong. Monkey, the monkey eats bananas. Rabbit, the rabbit has long ears. Time and weather, 86 to 100. Day, today is a sunny day. Night, I sleep at night. Morning, I wake up in the morning. Evening, we eat dinner in the evening. Week, there are 7 days in a week. Month, this month is August. Year, a year has 12 months. Rain, the rain is heavy. Sun, the sun is hot. Wind, the wind is cold. Snow, the snow is white. Cloud, the cloud is gray. Storm, a storm is coming. Sky, the sky is blue. Star, I see a star at night.